All right, how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at Usynth by UJAM, the Pixel sample pack, or sound pack rather, not really samples. It's all synthesizer. If you're not familiar with this, you can check it out. There's a 30-day demo. They have plenty of other samples. I don't know why I'm calling them samples, but the sound libraries, presets, if you will, for different synths. They have a free one as well, so you can check that out too. And this one is Pixel. It's arcade kind of sounds from different game consoles and stuff like that. But I find there's a lot more other interesting things in here than just that, not just for making game music. We got cheesy stabs. So basically the layout for this synth works like this. We have the synthesizer preset sounds here, different basses and things like that. We have bright and dark for the sound, which is really cool. So if you're hearing this sound here, you'd be like. So you can really quickly change the sounds. I'm not sure what the fast and slow here is. I don't have a manual for this, so I'm just kind of going through it. But just play around with it, get some weird effects. We have the finisher, which is multi-effects. Some of them are single effects. We got dual and quad. These are really cool finishers, as they call them. They sell separate finishers as well as plugins for effects, but they're built into here for this particular model. And then down here, we have a keyboard. We also have a sequencer, great for really quick patterns. And we got different key switches down here, C1. Now the lower number, or the C1 is going to be less complicated sounds. As we move up, they get a little more complicated, add more stuff. And then we have these ×2, ×3, ×4, which changes the pattern really quickly, the double time. So if I hit a key, for example. So you could quickly add in really quick stutters and stuff like that. And then we got all these other effects down here. And of course the sequencer, there's all kinds of different switches for different, slow it down. So really quick, you get all kind of stuff going here. Then we got our effects and stuff down here. Now I'm just going over this really quickly. I'm just going to go into playing sounds and stuff the second part of this video. I actually have another video where I made a song using all the sounds from this, so you can check that out as well. So yeah, pretty quick layout. You can turn the sequencer off so you can play it as just a regular keyboard. You play yourself, or you have like the one note kind of thing. Now the random thing, this is the surprise button down here, is pretty cool. So say you got like this sound here that you got going. You can turn the random off, so when I hit the random, it's only going to change the sequencer and the finisher. Or maybe I want to keep that and just change the finishing sound. And I have this thing for big changes or small changes. So the smaller changes, the bigger changes. So if I do this, it's only going to change it a little bit, and it's only going to change whatever I have up here, which is going to be the finisher. So it just really kind of changed it really small. Let's just go through here. This is kind of fun if you turn them all on. And just say, you know what? Give me some random sound. Let me find some inspiration. There we go. Let's see what we got. Try a different one. And you can keep doing that till you find something you like. Or you can just go up here to the presets, find something you like. You got the basses, we got chords, we got melodies, orchestra, instruments, arcade, hits, arpeggios, all that fun stuff going on up there. Down here we have this little button. We can explain things over here. And then we have some other options here for scale and chords. So when you're playing like a chord on your sequencer, might work better with a different sound. You can select your scale so you always stay in key, all kind of fun stuff. But let's just get into some sound demos and I'll shut up here. All right, let's go.
Yeah.